Hey, it's Mr. Allred here, and I am working on systems of equations, and we just talked about how to solve with the substitution method. And here we've got another system for substitution. The first equation is 4y equals 3x minus 44. The second equation is 3y plus 2x equals 18. So we're going to go through and try and solve this using our steps. So the first step was to solve one equation for one variable. If you look at it, in the first equation, y is away from the x. The second equation, y and x are on the same side. So it's a little bit easier to take the first equation and get y by itself. So we're going to solve 4y equals 20x minus 44 for y, because all we got to do here is divide everything by 4. So if we do that, we will get y equals 5x minus 11. Okay, so we've completed step 1. One variable is by itself. So we're going to substitute 5x minus 11 into the other equation, 3y plus 2x equals 18 for y. So we have a new representation for y, so we're going to place it in the y position. And when we do that, we'll get 3 times 5x minus 11 plus 2x equals 18. So everything will be in terms of x. So one equation, one variable. This is where we started the semester, So now we want to take step 3 and solve this thing. 3 times the quantity of 5x minus 11 plus 2x equals 18 for x. So let's do that. Let's just clean it up. So we use distributive property since there's no fractions. 15x minus 33 plus 2x equals 18. We can see that we've got like terms on the left hand side, 15x and 2x. We're going to take the negative 33 and add it to the other side to get rid of it. So we'll simplify things here. So when we start to get x's on one side, we'll have 17x equals 51, and we need to divide by 17, and we'll get x equals 3. So we got one of our variables, but we need both of them for the system. So step 4, we need to let x equal 3 in an equation, and here's what I want to show you. We could take any one of the equations we got. We could take the 4y equals 20x minus 44 and let x be 3 and figure out what y would be. We could take the other one. But down here in step 1, we got y by itself and just x on the other side. So if I take that and I plug my 3 into the 5x minus 11, I'll already have y by itself, and I won't have to do algebra. So, let's see here. My pen is slowing down here. So I get y equals 5 times 3 minus 11. So that's y equals 15 minus 11, or y equals 4. So the pair of numbers, or the point of intersection of these two lines, would be x is 3 and y is 4. And I'm going to start making shorter videos on these because they're starting to go a little scary.